Finding a job conversation.
Hi. It is good to see you, John.
Same here, Nancy. It has been a long time since I last saw you.
Yes, the last time we saw each other was New Year's Eve. How are you doing?
I am doing okay. It would be better if I have a new job right now.
You are looking for a new job. Why?
I already finished my studies and graduated last week. Now, I want to get a job in the finance field. Payroll is not exactly finance.
How long have you been looking for a new job?
I just started this week.
Didn't you have any interviews with those firms that came to our campus last month? I believe quite a few companies came to recruit students for their finance department.
I could only get one interview with a Fidelity company because of my heavy work schedule. A month has already gone by, and I have not heard from them. I guess I did not make it.
Don't worry, John. You always did well in school. I know your good grades will help you get a job soon. Besides, the job market is pretty good right now, and all companies need finance analysts.
I hope so.
You have prepared a resume, right?
Yes.
Did you mail your resume to a lot of companies? How about recruiting agencies?
I have sent it to a dozen companies already. No, I have not thought about recruiting agencies. But I do look closely at the employment ads listed in the newspaper every day.
Are there a lot of openings?
Quite a few. Some of them require a certain amount of experience, and others are willing to train.
My friends told me that it helps to do some homework before you go to an interview. You need to know the company well. What kind of business is it in? What types of products does it sell? How is it doing lately?
Yes, I know. I am doing some research on companies that I want to work for. I want to be ready whenever they call me in for an interview.
Have you thought about questions they might ask you during the interview?
What type of question do you think they will ask?
Well, they might ask you some questions about finance theories to test your academics understanding.
I can handle that.
They might tell you about a problem and want you to come up with a solution.
I don't know about that. I hope I will be able to give them a decent response if the need arises.
They will want to know a little bit before they make a hiring decision. So, they may ask you to describe yourself. For example, what are your strengths and your weaknesses? How do you get along with people?
I need to work on that question. How would I describe myself?
Also make sure you are on time. Nothing is worse than to be late for an interview. You do not want to give them a bad impression, right from start.
I know. I always plan to arrive about 10 or 15 minutes before the interview starts.
Good decision. It seems that you are well prepared for your job search. I am sure you will find a good job in no time.
I hope so.
I need to run. Otherwise, I will be late for school. Good luck in your job search, John.
Thank you for your advice. Bye. Job interview conversation. Good morning, John. I am Mike. Good morning. How are you doing? I am doing fine. Thank you. How is the traffic coming over here? I am so glad that the traffic was light this morning. No traffic jam and no accident. That is good. John, let's start the interview. Are you ready? Yes, I am. First of all, let me properly introduce myself. I am the finance department manager. As you know, there is an open position in my department, and I need to fill this position as soon as possible. Please, tell me a little bit about the position. It is an entry-level position. The new employee will have to work closely with me. Accounting department. He will also have to deal with bank on a daily basis. What type of qualifications do you require? I require a 4-year college degree in finance. Some working experience would be help. What kinds of experience are you looking for? Doing office work is good. However, since this is an entry-level position, I do not require a lot of experience. I am willing to train the new position. That's great. John, tell me a little bit about yourself. I was a student at West Coast University, and I just graduated with a bachelor degree in finance. I have been working part-time as a payroll clerk for the past 2 years. What are you looking for in a job? The job should help me see what finance is all about. I have learned a lot of finance theories at school, and now it is time for me to put them into practice. Anything else? I also hope that it will help me grow in my field. What are your strengths? Why should I hire you? I am a hard-working person and a fast learner. I am very eager to learn, and I get along fine with people. Okay, now, let me ask you a few questions. You do not mind working long hour, do you? No, I do not. Can you handle pressure? Yes, I can. When I was going to school, I took quite a few courses each semester while working at least 20 hours every week. And I handled that situation very well. Do you still have any questions for me? No, I think I have a pretty good understanding of the job. I believe that I can handle it with ease, and I hope to have the opportunity to work for you. John, nice meeting you. Thank you for coming. Nice meeting you too. Thank you for seeing me.